Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you two ways in which you can find out your IP address on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button. That will encourage me to do more such videos. So let's get started. The first method to find out your IP address is to go to this option here and click on the properties of the Wi-Fi which you have connected to. Click on properties. And here you have all the information about your Wi-Fi, and if you scroll all the way here, you will find your IP address. And this is my IP address. And the second way to find the IP address is to go to the control center and click on control panel and click on network and internet, and then click on network and sharing center. Here you will see a hyperlink. You just have to click on that hyperlink, and here if you click on details, it will show you all the details of your network. In this you can find the IP address, and you can use it for whatever purpose you want. Okay, thank you for watching. That's it for the video. Have a nice day.